right? Wasn't there another question from Mexico City with the same item? That's weird. Coming in as a second name. Okay, so we're gonna skip that question for now. Yeah, that's weird. I thought we had another person from Mexico City with a different name with the same question. Okay, so Mosin says, WRT EDA. I started my DS AI path from 15 months ago, only focusing on AI models and math. That's a mistake, but I'm only now hearing about the importance of EDA. I am desperate for an EDA skills roadmap. Mosin, I think that you're going to need a little bit more than an EDA skills roadmap. What you need is you need an overall plan for your data science studies. Jumping directly into AI models and math is not great. Yeah. So Mosin, on my YouTube channel, I have a data science roadmap for students. Please go through that because that's where I lay out a similar path to what I follow, except I explain how I would do it in present day. But you really, I would like to see you have more structure around how you're studying. And quite frankly, maybe you should reflect on your motivations for why you study in the beginning. Because when you're jumping to AI and math, to me, that indicates that you're jumping to a job. You just want the job and the career. But you got to put in the work and you got to put in the reflection to make sure that data science is something that you want to do, right? You know, I equate being a data scientist to being like a doctor or a lawyer, where you need to learn, but you're also going to be learning the rest of your career. You know, a surgeon, for example, they don't learn every single surgical procedure in school. They learn the fundamentals and the basics, and then they go on to learn as they're in their practice, in their career, right? And they're always learning, right? There's always new techniques available and things like that, right? So you got to take it as a serious profession. You know,